On this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to delete and clear your YouTube search history, and you can do this easily from your mobile app. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Alright, simply start by opening your YouTube app. So once you've opened your YouTube app, so I'm going to just pretend like I want to search something. So as you can see, all my search history are in here, although I don't use this account much, but you can see my search history. So to delete this, all you have to do, click your profile icon and then click on settings. You can see the settings icon at the top. Click on that. Then once you get here, you're going to see manage all history. So click on that. So once you click on this, it's going to bring you to a new window, or rather bring you to a new page. So you just have to wait a little bit for it to load up. So now that it's done loading up, you can see this delete over here, because in here you can see all your search history. So all you have to do, you can actually even put auto delete, or you can just click on this delete. So you can either delete your search history of today, or you can delete a custom range, or you can delete all time, which means you are going to delete all your search history on YouTube. So let me just click on all time. So you can see this is how it works. You just have to click on delete, and that's it. It's going to delete every single thing. You can see deletion complete. So that's how you can delete your search history on YouTube. It's quite simple and quite easy. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that, to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.